This is my brand new counter depth Samsung refrigerator. It's a side-by-side with an ice maker, and the ice maker wasn't working properly. So you could see water was just barely trickling out of there, and it's only filling half of an ice cube. So throughout the whole night, this is all it made. So the first thing I did was go to the owner's manual. I did everything properly. It said wait 24 hours. I did. Still all I got. So then Samsung says, oh, well, make sure that your water pressure is correct. Okay, I did. My water pressure is good. They said, oh, well, it could be the filter. I went out, I bought a brand new filter, $50 for a brand new filter. Put the new filter in, nothing. This isn't what it looks like. I took it apart because I had to look further. And there's this little tiny piece right here, the guide tube. This piece was hanging off. The line after the water inlet valve, the supply line, was kinked from the factory, brand new. Here it is right here. I straightened it out a little bit because I'm about to test it now. You can see where the kink is at. Filter housing sits like this, and that orange hose that goes to the ice maker was kinked. Now let's see. Now let's watch this water come out. That's how the ice maker cycles. Dumps the ice cube tray. Wow, unbelievable. Unbelievable.